of being or forming government in the 2027 elections. The leaders say that with a united voting bloc, the community would secure greater representation in elective leadership and strengthen its influence in national politics. This as they lauded the government's efforts to prioritize development in Western Kenya region after years of neglect. Speaking during UDA Nairobi chapter meeting, the leaders said the Luhya community has a voting population of more than 1 million people.
Western kwa matanga na mazishi peke yake. Hatuna mradi yote ambayo tunajivunia kwa regime ambayo ilipita. As we speak now, wakati tunaongea saa hizi, sisi tuko ndani ya serikali.
And I want to urge all Luhyas, those who have already registered for voting, to come and stand with us. Anybody, any aspirant who wants for Luhya Mulembe women to vote for him or her should come and we move together.
As Mulembe community living in Nairobi, we wish to stand behind the president and fully support his re-election for a second term.
As Mulembe Nation in UDA, we shall serve this nation faithfully. And we are going to start mobilizing as guided by our kingpin, the Prime Cabinet Secretary, that all Luhya community should join UDA so that we can negotiate from there. I take this opportunity to call all Luhyas in Nairobi to join the UDA party so that we can have the numbers to negotiate for our people.